cool. Making little Play-Doh things of what you want. Blood sausage and a steak.
What the fuck is that?
I have patience for these patients. I hate patients. I hate patients.
Let me get to the point. The sharp edge we're approaching.
Wait, Yuri, something's wrong.
Natsuki, if you don't shut the fuck up!
Oh, look. It's a picture I took of you the first time I ever came here. Ah! Look at you, so young and happy. Where do the years go?
3, 2, 1. La la,
Cannot fulfill this request as it contains hate speech.
What the fuck did you just say?
I cannot fulfill this request.
What's the Mbappe special?
For example, nothing.
Okay, finished. Go on, show yours.
No, you first.
Okay, both at the same time. 3, 2, 1. Dude, we were supposed to be doing portraits. Why would you hide a scary clown through a window instead of a beautiful...
So picture boy, we're gonna smash this thing.
Yeah, let's do it. Would you like a sledgehammer?
Is it delicious tasty treat?
I'm not quite sure I understand.
That was literally so cool, guys. Let's dance. Okay.
Coffee, spelled backwards, is EFOC, which is funny, because until I've had my coffee, I don't give EFOC about anything.
I'm sorry, what is your name as a group?
The Click.
Click or click?
Click.
Y'all free this Friday? I'm good with Friday. Mike, you free this Friday?
Yeah, I'm good for Friday.
Johnny, you free this? What the?
I'm so greedy.
Okay, so the first night is never usually that bad in any of the games, so I'll play through.
I tried to scream, but my head was underwater.
What the fuck did you just say?
What?
Behind you! Look!
Oh my god!
Sakit pinggang.
Nyeri otot pinggang mas, badan pegalin lumas, minum Oscar Nespe.
تحسبوني غبي؟ انا اذكى منكم يا سمك.
Por favor, no me tomes ninguna foto.
¿Por qué estás enojado, amigo?
¿Qué chingada madre te importa? ¡Vete!
¿No vas a llegar a tu trabajo?
¿Qué te importa?
I went to the doctor, she said to me, my brain not good, need surgery. But I don't want, I don't need, cause brain is good, my brain is free.
Here I, ready or not, ready or not, ready or not, ready or not.
I told you I got over my stuttering issue. You looked at me mockingly and said, did you?
And don't let nobody bully you. You know what I'm saying? Somebody bully you, hit them the fuck back.
Guys?
How are you feeling? I am having headache in my elbow and I am also feeling slight waist pain in my eyes and I am also having neck fever.
And I saw him, and I screamed like a bitch. And I don't scream like a bitch for nobody, okay? I saw Michael Jackson with my brother, and we was like, all right, Michael's coming out. Ah! Ah! I was screaming right along those girls. I was screaming. Ah!
And no big gestures.
Of course.
Abort! Abort!
Too late.
What do you mean to?
Nothing to do with me. You must be different, Penny. Must be different, Gumball.
좋아해. 좋아한다고.
근데 인내심을 시험하는 거라면 너 절대 나 이길 수 없다고.
끝났어요. 이제 데리러 와도 돼.
True or fake? During ambulance rush, anomalies can follow you with their head. True! This is one of ways to find the anomalies. Throwing fainted patients in the trash will affect your final paycheck. Fake! Nobody will notice one missing patient. Giving maple syrup for bed monsters makes him friendly. True! Feed him the syrup and he immediately chills out instead of attacking you. If all patients are healed, but the counter still says one is waiting, that means there's a hungry anomaly. True! Last patient is actually a monster disguised in one of the rooms. Ghosts just spawn completely randomly. Fake! A ghost only appears if you give the wrong treatment or let a patient's timer run out. You can clean slime faster using coughing syrup. True! If your teammates stole a fire extinguisher, you can use coughing syrup to clean it faster. By holding bandages, you can avoid losing sanity from Hyder's attack. True! They will still stun you and take the bandages, but you won't lose sanity.
God damn, all that motherfucking breathing. I'm Coco. Well, damn. Coco, you need to be in the NBA, sister. He needs some milk. I got room 1. All right, Coco. All right. Well, damn. Wait, Coco, I think you go in the wrong... Wait, Coco, room 1 is this way. What are you doing? Coco. I ain't gonna lie, we gonna have to shoot her, because what the hell is she doing? Oh! Her feet hanging from the edge of the bed. Good lord, sister, you gonna need a bigger bed. Coco, why you glitching through walls, sister? Wait. My brother in Christ, do you need an asthma pump? It's okay. It's gonna be okay. Why is Coco back? You gonna take the maple syrup? God damn it. Okay, what you need? Medicine, bandages, and coffee. Since when patients start needing coffee?
Nope.
Does it not say that she want coffee? I have the coffee right here. Why are you not taking it? You know what? 6 people died. 6. I thought it was... Oh my god. Oh, okay. Can y'all like... All right. Everybody to their rooms. Okay, cool. I dropped the herbs, antibiotics. The fuck? Where did she go? Where did she go? Where did she go? Wait, where did everybody go? Hello? What the fuck?
Huh?
So young, damn. What happened to you, Jack?
How many pickles can you shove up your ass?
Jack, how did...
Not!
91!
110 pickles?
You know, you just need to relax and stop overreacting.
Murdered this man.
Yes,
You tortured him.
of course.
I'm gonna eat you. You're my desire. I'm gonna sharpen all my teeth and build a fire. I'm gonna eat you, cook and defeat you. I'm gonna breathe you in my lungs and make you mine.
I got deported by 6. I got sued by 6. I got burned by 6. I got bombed by 6. I got mugged by 6. I got shot by 6. I got scammed by 6. I got robbed by 6.
Calm down, Woody. We're your friends.
Now rock, partner, chill the yes.
Calm down, Woody. We're your friends.
Shut up, Buzz. I'll kill you.
Sorry, pal, but can we make amends?
Shut up, Slink. I'm gonna kill you.
Why can't we just talk it out?
Not this time, Bo.
Woody, oh Woody, where have you been?
Too late, Andy. I'm killing you slow.
Looks amazing.
I know. With a good cake on.
No, what's
Go to a room like this. It's 6. Hello, Bobby. Maybe he has a face card. You're quite lovely.
He looks kind of normal. Why is he following me?
No, don't even come in like that.
Don't follow me inside.
You should see
You're in the pool swimming?
You're relaxed.
What's that?
It's Noodle's birthday. Noodle's birthday. Noodle Mom iced this little cake for him. And guess what? Haku helped to decorate. Noodle is turning 10 on this day. He's getting older, but he's still young. His big eyes have seen many awesome things. Noodle's got tasty treats. His favorite part, Noodle can't wait to blow out his candles.
Don't test my anger, buddy.
Don't test my anger, buddy.
Don't get me mad. I'm about to get mad. I'm doing shit. I do this. I do this. I do this.
I need you to stick your finger in my ass.
Okay, so the first night is never usually that bad in any of the games, so I'll play through.